Brandon, what are you doing on the floor, man? What's wrong?
Man, I love this car, but I should have went with the turbo version.
Come on, man. What are you talking about? You got the NA version because you wanted to hashtag save the manuals. You made the right choice.
I mean, yeah, I guess, but all that power I'm missing out on, man. The turbo version has 250 horsepower. My car has a measly 186.
Oh, you want more power?
Can I get a more power, baby?
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Yeah, boy.
I got the stuff you need right here, baby. Here, take these.
Stickers? How's this gonna help?
Hey, listen, I know it sounds crazy, but that right there in your hand is easily 50 horsepower.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Listen, I know it sounds crazy, but that right there is the key to more power. Look it up. There's plenty of videos on it. Stickers are the key to more power.
All right, I mean, if you say so. Let's add some stickers.
Now, if you or a loved one is affected by a slow car, do the right thing. Get them the power they need. Nay, the power they deserve. Get them some stickers. Let's get into the install.
And now for something completely different.
All right, guys, so we are here at the back of the vehicle. We are gonna be starting with sticker number 1. So I went ahead and picked up some overlays from a company called Laminex Protective Film. The back end is beautiful. The taillights are nice and smoked, and this is just a nice, bright red reflector, and I don't like that. So with this film, we're gonna go ahead and cover that up. Now they have a bunch of different types. You can actually just tint, gun smoke, smoked, and charcoal, which is like a chrome delete. So I guess it'd be a red delete.
Nope. Why you bullying me?
And this is what they look like right here. So to install this, guys, first thing you're gonna wanna do is take some alcohol, clean off the surface. That way the sticker has a clean surface to stick to. The material is pretty forgiving, so if you mess up, you can pull it back off. Try again, blow off, try again. All right, so now that we got the surface prepped, what we're gonna do is peel back the film, and we can hold it by these little corners like this, and we're just gonna try and get it into place how we want it. So grab you a little squeegee or like a credit card, that'll work too. So work out these air bubbles and make sure you got a nice solid bond. And so when we got it where we want it, you got it pressed into place. You're gonna take a razor blade and just cut off those little ends that we use to put it on. Now, if you're still left with a couple little bubbles like there are right here, I don't know if you can see them, just let them settle for a couple days. The heat should cook them out. Just do the exact same thing on the other side, and you will go from looking like this to this. This is definitely one of my favorite little mods that I've done. As you can see the contrast from the bright red to like the tinted taillights, this completely like matched it. It looks like these reflectors should have been smoked in the first place. So now we are inside the car for sticker number 2, and that is going to be the shifter overlay. Now, while you may be asking why we're doing this, if there's anything that has bothered me more about this car, it is this piano black. It scratches so freaking easy.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
I went to the dealership, picked this car up, came off the truck, they got it detailed, did everything. It had scratches already in this plastic. I'm pretty sure it got shipped scratched. There's no way, because I am so OCD about my car's paint and everything. Went into this knowing that this was going to happen, but I wanted to prevent it as much as possible by not touching it. All we can do is cover it up. So sticker number 2 comes into play. So we have a nice carbon fiber outcrop. This is from Mike's store. I don't know, y'all tell me, I'm not sure. I think it's Mike's. I've been calling it Mike's store, whether it's Mick's store, Mike's store, that's up to you. I call it Mike's store just because it's easier for me. So I picked this up from Mike's store. Now they actually do make the hard plastic if you wanted the hard plastic. I was never the biggest fan of that big chunky hard plastic. I thought it looked kind of cheap. This looks a little more professional, so that's why we're doing this. So I'm not sure how forgiving this sticker is compared to the Laminex one we did on the back. We got to kind of get it all in one swoop, so we're going to try our best here. With a little finesse, you gotta just kind of work it in. It's a giant sticker after all. It was kind of hard, but it was easy to work with, super forgiving. If you mess up, pull it back off, stick it back down. I did it multiple times. And as you can see, the finished product, man, it looks really good. Obviously, it's not a perfect fit. You know, you can see some gloss black parts, you know, showing throughout. This looks so much better than looking at all those scratches every day, man. This is fantastic. I love this. And for sticker number 3, we have another sticker from Mike's store. This one is going to be for our window cluster, if you want to call it that. We get scratches here too because piano black. So this piano black is just as bad, maybe not as bad as the shifter, but it's still got some pretty decent scratches on it. So we're going to be installing this third and final sticker. Now it did come with 4 for each window actuator on every single door, so we got 4 of those, so we'll be installing all 4 of those. And that's the last one. Well guys, do these stickers add power? No, of course not. But do they add style points to your car? Heck yeah, they do. And don't worry, I will leave everything that we installed today in the description for you guys to check it out and install them yourselves. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And that's it for me today, guys. We'll see you in the next Mazda video. Peace.